Hey everyone, Leanne here from Kingdom Blogger. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and save your digital stickers so that they can be imported into GoodNotes, kind of how to package them all up so that they're ready for your customers to use. All right, so here are the ones that we've completed. So what we're going to do now, we are going to open up a custom size, 500 by 500 minimum. You can go higher. You could go 1,000 by 1,000. They'll just be a higher clarity for them, but I just use 500. And so from here, what we're going to do, I'm going to bring this down 2 pages here. So we're going to take this one, highlight it, right? Control C, Control V. We're going to drag it out to where it's taking up the whole thing here. And we're going to do that for each one of these. Let's go ahead and get them all in there. And then we can actually get out of this one or just open up this one. So we're going to do the same on all of these and center it. Center. And center. All right, so open it up, make sure they're all good. All right, so now we're going to save this. Download transparent PNG. Just going to save it as a zip file. Now you're going to want to open up your cloud drive because this is where you want to save everything. And I have a file or a folder for all of my stickers. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to just create a dummy folder here. Test. Now we need to go and let's get rid of all of this stuff here. We're going to open this, open our stickers. Doesn't matter how many you have. We're going to unzip this entire thing. There we go. Now go back over to your drive, go to your folder, right click, file, upload. And then we're going to add all of these into the file, or I'm sorry, into the folder. So now they're all in the folder. Now, this is the manner in which you're going to give them, you're going to create your download page, right? We've talked about this before. Let me see if I can find mine. So you create sort of like a receipt page, and then you'll put a link for them to download. See, I think I have one here for stickers. There we go, digital sticker template. I always create a video to show my customers how to import them. And I'm actually going to show you that on this video as well. So make sure you do create this because I promise you, if people are new to this, they're going to send you a ton of messages saying, how do I get these to work? And so just create the video and that way you kind of get that taken care of. And so what you'll do is give them the link on that page will be this link here. Go share, copy link, and then make sure to click the manage access button and make sure this is anyone with link can view and that it's green. And then you'll get this link here and that's what you'll link to on the other one. All right, so once they've received the file, I'm going to show you I'm going to do an overhead view and show you how to actually import them into your GoodNotes file. Okay, so now we are going to go to our iPad and we're going to click on our drive. I'm going to go to my sticker file and this was the file that we saved into. So there's the 5 images. So now what you're going to do is the 3 dots for each one. You're going to click each one and you're going to send a copy and then save image. And that should save it to your camera roll here. So you're going to do that to each one. If you have like a lot of them, yes, this part takes a little bit of time. Send copy, save image. And so now you can see these are right here. These are the stickers. Now, if you're going to import them into GoodNotes to save as a GoodNotes file, which I highly recommend, if you're going to sell digital stickers, you need to give them in a GoodNotes file format. So you're going to go into your GoodNotes program. Now, I'm just going to create new. Well, let's go to stickers. Now, I have a blank template of my receipt page, and it basically looks like this. That's not it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go new, and we're going to do, let's see, image, and it's in here somewhere. There we go. So now there's my receipt page. Now to add your stickers into this so that we can save it as a GoodNotes file, we're going to click, use my little pencil here. I'm going to click this and the toolbar should come up. There we go. We're going to click the image button. I think my pencil is dead. Let's see here. Yep, my pencil is dead. Okay. So now we're just going to, in the image, so the image needs to be clicked. We're going to tap on each one of these, right? And so this one comes in, tap on it, crop, bring this little blue thing down to take the dead space out. And then now you can arrange your stickers on the page. So you're going to do this for each one of them. Crop. Okay, that. And hope. And what do we got here? Face. And put those there. So you'll arrange all your stickers for your set. Now, if you have like a lot of them, I would recommend making this 2 pages. And so all you have to do is come up here to this little square with the plus in it and current template, and it'll add another page, and it'll be, you see down here, it says 2 of 2. And so if you're making a sticker pack that has like 50 or 100 stickers, you don't put too many on a page to where they're so like crammed together. You need to have space so that they can put the lasso tool on them. So we're going to undo that because we don't need, well, we'll go back here. Okay. Oh, okay, so let's do that crop. I hit the undo button. That's why it did that. Crop. Face. There we go. And so it doesn't really matter what size they are because they're going to, when they import them into their planners or whatever they're using, they'll scale them to the size that they need. You can turn around, you can do all kinds of cool things. Okay. So once you get them all on your page, then you're going to come up here to this square with the arrow on it. You're going to hit that. You're going to hit export all. Make sure it's the GoodNotes is blue. And then if you want to give it a name, you can change that right here. Export. And then you're going to find your drive. That's going to open up. I don't know why my lighting is doing that. And then down here in the bottom right where it says Drive, tap that and find your folder. So I have my sticker folder. We want to put this in the test. And then we're going to save here and then hit upload. Yeah, it's like a bunch of steps, but this is how it does. And so now when I go back to my file here, that GoodNotes file is here. And this is really, really important because for GoodNotes users, it's so much easier to import the GoodNotes file and be able to use them that way. Now, you can also, and I would recommend this, on that download page that you give them with the link to this, include links to your digital folder, which is going to be, well, it'll be this folder. It won't be called test for you. It'll be called, whatever your sticker collection is. And in here, they can open it and they can import the individual files. You could also upload the actual zip file in here. That way, depending on how they're going to be using them, they have it in multiple formats. But that's basically it. Again, if you're going to be selling sticker packs, you definitely want to put them in the GoodNotes format, but you should also include the other formats as well.